What if I told you there's a dog breed that Turkish shepherds have used for 6,000 years to face down wolves, and it's about to square off against an animal whose stomach acid is so powerful it can safely digest anthrax-infected meat? These aren't myths. These are real scientific facts that will change how you see these incredible animals. Let's dive into the fascinating biology behind this epic comparison. Meet the Kangal. And the science behind this breed is genuinely incredible. Weighing up to 145 pounds, these dogs have been selectively bred for millennia, specifically for one job: protecting livestock from large predators. Here's what's fascinating. While internet claims about a 743 psi bite force lack scientific backing, research estimates their actual bite force at 250 to 400 psi, which is still remarkably powerful for a domestic dog. But their real superpower isn't their bite, it's their behavior. Studies of livestock guardian dogs show they use what scientists call graduated response. They start with intimidating barks, then charges, and only physically engage as a last resort. This strategy has proven so effective that Turkish shepherds report significantly reduced predation rates in areas where Kangals are deployed. And here's a cool genetic fact: many Kangals have double dew claws, a trait that's relatively uncommon and suggests their ancient lineage connects to some of the earliest dog breeds in this region thousands of years ago. Now let's talk about spotted hyenas, because the real science behind these animals is absolutely mind-blowing. Recent research has revealed they're not just scavengers. Field studies show they actively hunt and kill 66 to 90% of what they eat. But here's where it gets incredible. Hyenas have stomach acid with a pH around 1.5, making it almost as acidic as battery acid. This allows them to do something no other large African predator can do. They can safely consume meat infected with anthrax, cholera, and other deadly pathogens, essentially serving as nature's biological hazmat cleanup crew. Their digestive system can break down and extract nutrients from bones that other predators leave behind, and this calcium-rich diet may contribute to their impressive longevity. They can live 20 to 25 years in the wild, significantly longer than lions. And that famous laugh? Research shows hyena vocalizations are incredibly sophisticated, with different calls that can travel several kilometers to communicate social status, food location, and even individual identity to their clan. So how do these biological marvels actually compare? In terms of raw bite force, research suggests hyenas have a significant advantage, with estimates around 1,000 to 1,100 psi compared to the Kangal's 250 to 400 psi range. Speed-wise, both animals are impressive. Kangals can reach bursts of 30 to 35 miles per hour, while hyenas can maintain 35 to 40 over longer distances. The hyena's endurance advantage reflects their evolution as persistence hunters. But here's what's really interesting. These animals would likely never encounter each other in nature. Kangals have evolved as territorial guardians in mountainous regions, while hyenas are adapted for pack hunting in open savannas. If they did meet, the outcome would depend entirely on context. A Kangal defending its territory and livestock would have the advantage of motivation and familiarity with the terrain, while a hyena clan would have numbers and cooperative hunting strategies on their side. Based on the available research, if we're comparing pure physical capabilities, hyenas have advantages in bite force, endurance, and pack coordination. However, Kangals have advantages in size, territorial knowledge, and protective motivation. But here's the most important scientific insight. Both animals represent evolutionary success stories perfectly adapted to their environments. Kangals have been shaped by thousands of years of selective breeding to be effective livestock guardians, while hyenas have evolved complex social systems and unique digestive capabilities that make them essential ecosystem engineers. The real winner? Biodiversity. Both animals play crucial roles. Kangals help preserve traditional livestock practices and protect rural livelihoods, while hyenas maintain ecosystem health by controlling populations and cleaning up carcasses that could spread disease. Here's what I hope you take away from this. Nature is full of incredible adaptations that are far more fascinating than any made-up secrets. The real hyena superpower isn't mystical, it's a stomach that can neutralize deadly diseases. The real Kangal strength isn't supernatural hearing, it's 6,000 years of behavioral refinement. If you like this video, subscribe to Speculative Science channel for more of this videos. Like in this video, I explain why tigers never been over gorilla, and tell in comment section what fascinated you most. The hyena's biological Hazmat abilities or the Kangal's ancient guardian genetics?